Alright, so here's our first five for Field South TTH bowlers. We have Yoko Lazar. Alright, we have Yulon, pass to Velasco, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. 5 and 3 points by Villan. Villan to Velasco, 14 seconds to shoot. Kitani drives for 3, no good. Nakakuha ni isa man, number 00, Lazarte from Field South. Alright, we have number 30, 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Alright, Velasco, number 55, dribbling the ball. 8 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds to shoot. Alright, 10. 5 seconds to shoot for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Lazarte. And there is a whistle. It's a we have Kokoi, number 30, to number 1. Voila, we have, and there is a whistle. It's a foul by number 9, Maitem. Yes, we have number 18 pass to Yukok, to Lazarte, and Sulud, 2 points. Time, 8 minutes more. Alright, we have Velasco to Kitane, 14 seconds to shoot. Maitem, pass back to Velasco. 8 seconds to shoot, and there is a whistle. It's a foul by 10. And voila. Yes, 14 seconds to shoot. Yeah, might end. Char. 30. To Lazarte to Anaru. Yukok, number 30. And Nadayhon. 14 seconds to shoot. Waaigid. Nakuha ni Blanc. And so 2 points for TTH ballers. We have Velasco dribbling the ball to Kitane. Kitane drives 2 puntos alang sa Santa Agueda Emerald. There we have number 33. Agid ends Velasco. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 for 3. Waay. Wani lang 2. Honor Roots and jersey number 18 drives. Nugget. We have Yulon to Velasco. Alright, we have number 33, and there is a foul by foul counted number 24. Correct. Kuyawan. Sulud sa Ramirez back to 10 seconds to shoot for 3. Waigi nakuha ni Maitem. 14 seconds to shoot and sulod sa banga. Ramirez to Biluan. Biluan to Biluan and Biluan Joel Chara. And sulod by Saikon. Number 30 to 10, 0 and sulod by number 33, Utah Walter. Viluan. Pass to Saicon. Saicon to Ramirez. Ramirez back to Saicon to Viluan. 10 seconds to shoot. Maitem. Drives. Sulud. Oh. Boyan. Viluan. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. And Viluan to Saicon, and we have 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3. Why? Nakuha ni Saicon. Saicon to Viluan. Viluan to naaga sa Picas Dance. So you have 0-0. 0-0. Bibilang Lazarte. As to Rotor 2. And voila. We have Lazarte again. And to number 18. Pass to 5 seconds to shoot. And Sulud. Yes, Saicon. Sulud. Viluan drives. Sulud. 3 minutes and 20. Yes. And wala, nakuha ni Maitem. And Sulud. Kaloy, number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 98. Yes, and wala, nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia, nagmamadali at pinasakay. Viluan, drive, Sulud. We have Kaloy, number 98. 2 minutes and 19. Lazarte. 10 seconds to shoot. We have Kaloy to Lazarte. 5 seconds to shoot. Wow. A counter. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Kuha ni Lazarte. And voila, we have Garcia. Garcia to Maitem. And there is a holding foul by number 98. Saicon to, yes, 1 minute and 23 seconds. There is a whistle. It's a foul counted. Foul by number 4. Foul counted. Number 4. Substitution. First personal foul. Maitem out. Raka. All right, we have Lazarte to Kaloy. Kaloy to Lazarte. And it's a foul by number 2. All right. We have Alwa. 1 minute and 4 seconds, mga Kaliso. 14 seconds to shoot and seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. And 9 violation. Violation line. 52 seconds na lang, mga amigo. 50. Alright, we have 24 and holding foul by number 13. First personal foul, penalty. 44 seconds na lang. Harap po gulay mga yes. Salute by number 24. Alright, we have Alba. 40 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds to shoot. Garcia to Racal. 10 seconds to shoot. Saicon. 5. Foul by number 34. Pushing foul. First person to foul for. Waiting for penalty time. 22 seconds. 22. 10 seconds to shoot. We have Racal drives. Wala. Nakuha sa Picas. 12 seconds remaining time. Alba to Racal and nakuha ni Saicon. 8 seconds. 5. That ends our first quarter with the score of 16-21 in favor of Lasardi. Back to Kaloy and Lasardi again. 14 seconds to shoot and wala, nakuha ni Ramirez to Alba. Alba to Garcia. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Nakuha sa Picas. You have number 4 to Lazarde. Wala, nakuha ni number 34. Wala gyapon, we have Racal to Garcia, back to Alba. Yes, Kaloy to number 34, drive. Yes, wala, nakuha ni Ramirez to Pantiliano, to Racal, and nakuha ni number 4. We have 34. Wala, yes, Ramirez. 8 minutes and 40. 14 seconds to shoot. Ramirez. 8 seconds to shoot. It's on a throw. Time 8 and 21. Yes, Pantiliano to Racal. Racal drives. Wala. Yes. Yan Solod. Yes, number 24 drives. Wala. And we have Ramirez to Alba. And yes, out of bounds. Substitution. All right, Pantiliano. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. For three points by Garcia. Lazarde, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 14, 3 points. 5. And counted. 7 minutes more. Yes, we have Kaloy to Lazarde. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. 5. Nakuha ni Ramirez to Alba. And sulod. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, number 8. Ramirez to Alva and I'm up on it, sir. Yes. Number 32, Lazarde. Garcia. And there's a foul by for 14 seconds to shoot. 10. 5. Wala. And wala gihapon. Then yes, Lazarte baby Langa dribbling the ball, drives, sulod, Dwight Sanit. $14 seconds to shoot. Biluan to Labe. Labe to Maitim. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. And voila, we have Lazarde. Lazarde belongs to number 8. Voila. Number 8 again. To number 33. 2. Pantiliano drives, sulod. 4 minutes and 28. Yoko, number 30. 14 seconds to shoot, sulod. Pantiliano, 10. 5. Sulod. Lazarde to Yoko. And voila. And number 18. Voila. 10. Sulod. Viluan. 3 minutes and 34. 14 seconds to shoot. Voila. Lazarte, Langa bats. To number 6, sulod.
Sir, 3 minutes naman, sir. Di gamit mo first quarter. 22 seconds.
Lazarte. 3 minutes more. And foul number 1 for rebound. Alright, we have Ramirez. Violon for 3. 3 points for Team Emerald. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Halu. Yes! Wala na po ni Ramirez. Ramirez to Violon and sulod. 2 minutes and 10. Yes, we have 0-0-0. And wala. Yes, nakuha ni number 6 and drives. Wala gyapon. Nakuha ni number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Sulod. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. 5. Wala nakuha ni to Viluan to Ana. Sulod yun. 1 minute and 9. Yes. Sulod. seconds to play. Labe. 10 seconds to shoot. Salud. Seconds. We have 43 seconds. 40. And there's a foul. Yesterday's dream. Love will keep us alive. You cook. 10 seconds to shoot. And voila, Juan Ramirez. We have 25 seconds remaining time. Bilon to Labe. And voila. Yes, 14 seconds to shoot. Salud. 10 seconds. 5. Velasco. 14 seconds to shoot. Raka. 10. Aqua Zafikas. We have Brutzer. Ay, Napani Velasco. Number 55. And there is Kitani for 3. Ay, nakuha ni. Nakao to Velasco. 12 seconds to shoot. And wala gihapon. Traveling violation to Japan third floor. Ay, nakuha ni Blanco 4 to number 33. Wilter drives. Salud. 5. And there is a whistle. It's a foul by number take 2. Last throw and ready for rebound. Alright, you have Lazar number 1 for 3. Voila. Yes, you have Yukok and Salud by Kitane. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Salud. 5. Wala. Lazarde. Wala. Caballero. And Yoko, wala, nakuha ni Saikon nagaman di ay. Lazarte, Baby Loves. 14 seconds to shoot. And 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. 24. Rakal to Garcia with the pass to Saikon. 14 seconds to shoot. Drives. Wala. Nakuha ni 14 seconds to shoot. Lazarte, number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Wala. Nakuha ni 5. And wala. Another shot. Wala. And wala. Yapon. There. First throw. Yes, Ramirez on track. Yes, Saikon to Garcia and wala. Ramirez. Wala yapon. Nakuha ni number 18. Okay. 14 seconds to shoot. Salud. Five. Wala. And there is our whistle. Yes. Counted. Yes. We have Walter. Drives. Wala. Nakuha ni Garcia. 5. Wala. Shot clock violation. Alright, padayon ang kasadya. Di mag-o-all. Ang mag-o-all? Na. Yes, there is a whistle. It's a foul by number 2. 55, sir. Alright. For 3. Wala. Yes, we have number 33. Lazarte, baby. 14 seconds to shoot, and voila, Garcia nagmamadali at pumasok sa 14 seconds to shoot. 10 and 10. Salute. Yes, 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. And salute. All right. Salute by number 30. Garcia. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Yoke Kaloy. And salute. 25 seconds na lang. 20. And salute. And there is a whistle. Team foul. Head bang to the room. Salute. Lazarte. Wala. Ay. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala kuha ni Wami. Wala. Gihapon. Nakuha ni someone. Yes, there is not down. 66 na diha. Alright. Kaloy. Wala. For 3 points by Vilon. 10. Wala. 14. Salute. Wala. Rakal drives. Salute. 10. Wala. Nakuha ni Ramirez. Diluan. Salute. 6 minutes and 15. Ramirez. Wala. 14 seconds to shoot and 3 points. 5. Salute. 2 points by Ramirez. 14 seconds to shoot. Yes, salute by number 30. We have Ramirez. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Lazarte. Subs. Yes. So, wala. Yes, 14 seconds to shoot. So, Lord, you have Maitem. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Wale. Nakuha ni Lazarte. Nakuha ni Silot. Ay, 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 buhay. Ah. Alright. Sulod by 14 seconds to shoot. Sulod. And Walter. Sulod. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Sulod. Foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Shoot and wala. Layo ang sinod. Antiliano. Alright. For 3, wala. Yes, we have Labe. Labe to Pantiliano. Pantiliano to Silot. Wala. And igawa sa bola. 14 seconds to shoot. So 14 seconds to shoot. Pantiliano 2. Here we have number 18 drives. Wala. Iba 2. Maitim. Last 2 minutes. Lazarte, baby. And wala. Pantiliano to Maitim. And nakuha ni Lazarte to number 8. 1 minute and 34 seconds. And Sulod. Courage. Sulod. "14 seconds to shoot and wala." We have Carlich nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia to Pantiliano drive. Sulod. All right. 1 minute more. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Carlich number 8. 40 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Garcia. 30 seconds remaining time. Maitim for 3. Ay Pantiliano. Ay gihapon. Ay gid. 15 seconds. 10. We have 6 seconds remaining time. 5.